Hi, Sherry here from Family Handyman. Today we're going to rip through some boards and find out if the Hedgehog Featherboard makes precision woodworking easier. This featherboard is more than a safety tool. It holds boards securely against the fence for straighter cuts. It has a cast aluminum miter clamp that fits on a router table, bandsaw, or table saw. You'll love the convenience of using the Hedgehog. The nylon feathers are flexible, yet strong enough to provide consistent one-way pressure on the board for zero kickback. Plus, it keeps the other hand free for safety and control. The Hedgehog sets up fast and easy. No more tweaking multiple knobs. It easily adjusts to various board widths with a single pivot point. And if you need to work the other side of the table, simply remove the knob and attach it to the flip side of the featherboard. Keep yourself safe and your cuts straight with the affordable Hedgehog. Thanks for watching.